I'm sure you heard him. Sorry, there, Mark. But you heard his argument, which actually punctured some of your argument, and those who are also clamored for ethnic and nationality-based conference. He said, "Well, we don't even know how many we are, let alone coming together based on ethnicity." So he felt that we should just do away with that, so that we don't get trapped in an endless count of what number of ethnic groups we do have.
Some people who are experts in this area have done extensive study. I mean, I can tell you, Mr. Alfred Nleri is a walking encyclopedia of ethnic nationality groups in Nigeria. He worked very closely with the late Chief Anthony Enaoro. And at the conference we had, the Pronaco conference, they were fairly represented. And in our draft constitution, we actually listed the ethnic nationality groups we have in Nigeria, ranging between 250 to 300. Well, all of them, all the ethnic nationality groups may not be fully represented. But because we have 6 geopolitical zones, the ethnic nationality groups are divided, amongst the 6 geopolitical zones. And you also have sub-ethnic nationality groups. That's the beauty of Nigeria. It's such a diverse nation. And therefore, the challenge for us is to get a constitution that would build on this diversity, and let's forge, a very strong union. It's been done elsewhere, and we can do it. India, for instance, shares so many similarities with Nigeria, and they are working on their fault lines. Evidently, there are fault lines in Nigeria: ethnic distrust, mistrust. As Senator Kuromo rightly observed, that people who believe that you have this paternalistic political arrangement in Nigeria that favors some part of Nigeria at the expense of others. These are issues that they should discuss at the conference. But the challenge is how to get delegates who understand the dynamics, people who know Nigeria, people who will be patriotic, and then think out of the box, come up with political arrangement that will ensure that we live harmoniously. Because it is not just unity. I mean, my hero, Chief Obafemi Awolowo, once said that Nigeria requires harmonious unity amongst the ethnic nationality groups. Again, why do you always talk about ethnic nationality groups? These were the critical stakeholders that were cobbled together, albeit involuntarily, by the colonial overlords. It is simple law of contracts that parties to a contract are critical when you want to resolve disputes touching and concerning that contract.